Good afternoon, Mayfield. It is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is the homework video for my Math 6 students due tomorrow. Also remember, tomorrow is the last day for the quarter that I will accept any late work, absent work, or quiz or classwork corrections if your initial score was below a 70. We do still have a week left in the quarter, but the last week of the quarter I don't take late work. I went in the shoebox and there weren't any suggestions, so I had some students visiting at lunch and I asked what they would like us to look at, and they picked the question on the back. I totally will do that. I did also want to remind you that today we did do lesson 6, so hopefully after today's lesson this does seem a little bit friendlier to you. Please read the directions carefully. One batch is 5 cups flour and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And if you do your batches correctly, then these questions should be able to be literally in your face. Okay, but the back was the preferred question. A recipe for orange water says mix 3 teaspoons of yellow water and 1 teaspoon of red. So if I wanted to write a diagram, I could do yellow, 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 and then red. For this recipe, we might say the ratio of yellow water, 2 teaspoons of red is 3 to 1. So yellow to red is 3 to 1. What would 2 batches be? Well, we're going to take that ratio and we're going to multiply both values by 2. What about 4 batches? Well, we're going to take this ratio and multiply both values by 4. And then explain why we can say that any of these 3 ratios are equivalent. They are equivalent because we multiply yellow and red by the same number. And we're working this year on our writing and math. Writing and math does not have to be long and complicated, but we do want to be clearer and we do want to use math language. I hope that helps. I'll be looking to see your finished homework tomorrow. And thank you again for your hard work. I enjoy working with you every day. That's the truth. Bye, everybody.